What's good everyone? Hi, my name is Trishaa and welcome to my channel. After a very long time, almost a month I guess. In this video, I'm going to create this look which is a classy nude festive appropriate look. Before that, I want to pardon if you heard any kind of construction noise because मेरे घर के exact सामने construction हो रहा है. So in case you heard, please pardon me on that. And also in this tutorial I'm going to use a drugstore makeup product. Like मैंने बहुत ही make sure किया हुआ है कि मैं जो भी product लूँ वो एक certain budget के अंदर हो, so you can exactly get that product and create this look for festive season. Trust me, it's a very nude but a classy and festive appropriate. You can carry this look with Indo-Western and ethnic wear both. So yeah, let's jump into the video. So yeah, let's begin this video. For that, I'm starting with my one of the favorite moisturizer with this Nivea. This is one of the best moisturizer I have ever find in budget. You can also use that Pond's one, वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा आता है, but I always prefer Nivea over the Pond's because Nivea मेरी skin को बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से सूट करता है. Till then our moisturizer is set. Let's prep our lips as well because you know no one like dry and chappy lips, and for that I'm using this hard candy ka limba. Now this I got from Dubai. It's actually a gift, so I might not able to find any link of this product, but if you ask me the most favorite, then it's this Laneige one of the best. I know it's a little bit expensive when it comes for a lip balm, but trust me ये बहुत ज़्यादा चलता है, like पूरे साल चलता है. For now I am using this hard candy one because I have already used this one overnight. Alright, our skin is well moisturized and now it's time for the foundation. I know I'm skipping the primer wala part, but I really don't have any kind of open pores, so I really generally skip this primer. If you are someone who has oily skin type or combination skin type, then you definitely use a primer, but I always suggest the aloe vera gel over the primer. But if you are suffering for extreme pore problems, then you must use a primer. Anyway, let's come back to foundation, and for that I'm using this one Fit Me because as I said I'm using drugstore products, all the affordable products, so you can exactly get those products and create this look. And I'm in the shade 128 warm nude. Now it's 500 plus, but you can still get a tube size cup product which you can get around 250 to 300, which is very affordable. To get a really very flawless and smooth base, there is only one tip. आप फाउंडेशन को लेयर बाय लेयर बिल्ड करो, एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा मत लगा लो, वरना यू नो वो आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा केकी देखेगा या फिर क्रैक होने लगेगा. सो बिल्ड इट लेयर बाय लेयर ओनली. And the second, if you are using a brush then it's not a problem, but if you are using a beauty blender then please do a wet beauty blender. Dry को please मत use करना. मैंने मिस्टेक करी है, so that I am telling you. I know मेरे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर के हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है. It's just I'm being a lazy girl to clean that. But anyways, let's blend our foundation. Always dab your foundation or a concealer or any product. Don't drag it. Always dab, just like this. Alright, so I'm pretty much happy with my foundation layer and I'm not gonna do a second layer. Now let's move towards the concealer. Again, I'm going to use from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me concealer and I'm in the shade 10 light. Alright, so I got one more beautiful budget friendly concealer. It's the Swish Beauty one. पता नहीं मैंने कहाँ पे रख दिया. I'm not able to find that amazing product from my vanity, so I have to use this Maybelline one. But I will link that product down below in the description box, so in case you want to check out. Trust me, 230 rupees में आपको इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा concealer नहीं मिलेगा. That product can beat any good product. Now there is a tip, if you have a very heavy under eye or uneven skin tone, then please do color correct them and उसके बाद ही आप concealer लगाना, वरना वो grey out हो जाएगा with the time. Again, for the concealer, same rule, dab your concealer and do not drag. Next, without wasting any single moment, please set your concealer because with time वो केकी होने लगेगा और crease भी आ जाएंगे. So do not wait and just set your concealer. For that I'm using this K Beauty banana powder. I cannot find the replacement of this product. मेरे पास बहुत सारे setting powder है, but I always end up using this one. I have already spoken about in my every video. I guess I'm not gonna blah 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 over this one any more time. For my inner corners, I'm gonna use the beauty blender only, and उसके बाद we'll set with a brush. I am using this brush to set my face. Not gonna take too much powder, else वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा powdery लगेगा. If you are someone who is come from a dry skin type family just like me, then powder only those area जहाँ पे आपने concealer use किया है. अगर आप oily skin type या combination skin types हो, then don't worry, you can use powder, but in a limit. Anyways, let's move towards the eyes, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. This palette has such a beautiful shade. For my base, I'm using this color. I know कैमरे पे उतना ज़्यादा ये कलर नहीं दिखागा because this shade is kind of, not a kind of, but 100% matching with my skin tone. Anyways, let's move towards the lid, and for that I'm using this shade using this flat brush. These colors are so neutral that you can literally carry this look with any festive outfit, and this is why I love this beauty look. Now I'm using this small fluffy brush to make sure that color जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से blend हो चुका है. For the outer corner, I'm using this shade. Now I'm going to take this angular fluffy brush to make sure everything sets well. Next I'm going to use this K Beauty color stick eyeshadow. It's a really brown in color, just to add a bit of more shade as it should. Now this is an additional step. If you want to do, that's your choice, and if you don't, that's also totally up to you. Now I'm going to take this medium sized fluffy but a clean brush, of course, to settle down. That is just an additional step. If you want to go ahead, you can definitely. If you want to go with any glitter shade, you can definitely choose it. I personally like to give a little bit of twist this festive season, so yeah, I choose this one. And now let's set our brows first, and for that I'm using this Nykaa brown point micro fine pencil. This is really perfect for those who really have thin brow just like me, and ये पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, but इसको मैंने स्पेशली फेस्टिव सीजन के लिए रखा है. I can make you see. ये देखो, ये इतना ही बचा है. This time I'm going to do a very thin liner. फेस्टिवल में दोनों आई eyeliner का extremely good होना, it's really impossible. Let me know if you are someone who also face this one. No matter आप कितनी भी practice कर लो, कितने भी pro क्यों ना हो जाए, दोनों eyeliner एक साथ the best कभी नहीं होने वाली. Anyway, let's ditch them and let's move towards the mascara. If you are someone who is team lashes, then go ahead, and who is team mascara, go ahead. Honestly, I am none of them, but it's a festive season, so I am going to apply my most favorite affordable mascara, and that is of course this Maybelline one. If you are a mascara team, then you can definitely use 2 coats of any mascara, but let the first coat dry first. First coat dry first. I'm directly moving towards the blush, and for that I'm using my most favorite one, which is Sugar. It's in the shade 01 Peach Pick. With this, we are coming towards end of this makeup tutorial, and it's time for the highlighter, and I'm using my most favorite one, which is a K-Beauty of course, and I'm in the shade Champagne Frizz. To highlight my inner corner, I'm using highlighter, but with my pinky finger. To give a little bit of lift to the whole look, I'm going to use these 2 lipsticks. Both are from the K-Beauty. On top of this, I'm using this Melodrama one. And yeah, with this video comes to an end. It's time for the final look, so let's check out. To give a simple kurta and the classic look a lift, you can just simply add some really heavy jewelry or some pearls. I am ended up with this pearl hoops, the ethnic ring, and some bits to my hand, and I am really very good to go for the festive party. I cannot wait to attend anyone. And yeah, with this video comes to an end. I hope this video is helpful for you. If did, then don't forget to do all the good things like comment, share, and of course subscribe. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, sparkle up.